Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese pizza at home, full guide. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees F and set a pizza stone or steel if you have one. While the oven heats, mix warm water, yeast, flour, salt, and oil to form dough and let it rest until slightly puffy. This first step sets the rhythm for a simple, delicious pizza you can be proud to serve. Working with dough is easier than it seems, so be patient and enjoy the tactile process. After proofing, press air out gently and shape each ball into a disc, keeping edges slightly thicker for a natural rim. Use light flour to prevent sticking and avoid overworking the dough to maintain air pockets. If dough resists stretching, let it rest 5 to 10 minutes and try again for a better crust texture. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, which makes post-pizza cleanup effortless and oddly satisfying. It responds to voice commands and saves time so you can focus on cooking and enjoying your meal. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. A minimalist approach to sauce and toppings keeps your cheese pizza balanced and flavorful. Spoon a thin, even layer of sauce onto the stretched dough, leaving the outer edge exposed for a golden crust. Distribute torn or sliced mozzarella across the surface and finish with a small drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt. These small choices produce a beautifully blistered, melty pizza when baked at high heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.